Okay, I'm going to record something. I haven't uploaded in 3 weeks. It's been a really underwhelming storm-wise for July. So it's just raining. Yeah, I'm not fucking doing that shit. They need to put awnings on these places for how much they charge us for rent. It's like 1,400. They need to charge less or put awnings on these. Well, I think they need to charge less regardless, but it smells nostalgic. It's August 1st. It might thunderstorm tomorrow, which is funny because it's the siren test, and nearly every single siren test this year has fallen on like a really high chance for thunderstorms. I've never had more fails for siren tests this year or cancellations than any other year, so if it's not going to work out tomorrow, then I'm going to throw in the towel on that, because I'm not going to keep dealing with that, especially the way the community is. It's a little wind, nothing really. The rain's moving really weird on radar. All of the rain patches are going opposite directions. Okay, thought someone got up. But yeah, there's just stuff I want to talk about. Very underwhelming July. We got some rain, but nothing really crazy. Got a lot of wildfire smoke I would have filmed more and put up. But I put that on my negative channel. I'm concentrating on that really right now. I gained like 20 subscribers in like this month. The past 3 weeks at least. And this one, I've only grown like 30 subscribers this year. And it's August now. It's gone fast, but July really started to drag on for some reason. And I'm fine with that, you know. I don't feel like going insane anymore, so that's good. That's good. It's peaceful. I'm gonna end this. I just keep talking about shit. So thanks for watching. We might go camping this year, so I'll definitely do that video, and I'll be doing more music. I got a Tascam 4-track tape recorder, by the way, and some chrome tapes, and a new cassette deck. So I'm pretty much set. Yeah, that's it. Shut up. What was that? Ooh, the dead branch. I never noticed that. Couple of yellow leaves. Early August. So it's cottonwoods.
Oh, yeah.
Shut up. Dina. Waiting for a good bolt, because I saw one out of the corner of my eye, and I'm not going to miss it. What is that beeping?
That's short.
Oh. That might have been a bolt. I think it was just a flash. Balls. Smoke alarms. Wonder if we took the battery out. I'm just gonna end this.